Hello, this is Joe from Tax Education Services. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a course. There's multiple ways to do it. First of all, you need to find the course that you want to take. If you are logged in and you go to the seminar calendar page, you will be able to see all of the courses that we offer in a calendar format. Let's say you wanted to take the Taxable Income and Tax Liability Part 1 course that is offered on Friday morning. You would come in here, you click that course, and it will bring up the information about this course. It'll give you the description, the learning objectives, and who's going to be teaching it, as well as related courses that you may want to take after taking this course or instead of taking this course. Now, once you are here, we're going to go ahead and click Reserve Now. Okay, this has been added to the shopping cart. I have a pass, but it is not yet added to my account. It is in my shopping cart because I may want to check out. So we're going to go here. You'll see on the checkout page that I have a pass and there's going to be $0 charge for this. So I'm going to go ahead and click Proceed to Checkout. And the final charge will be listed here. And we're going to go ahead and purchase with the pass. Now, if you're purchasing with a credit card, it will take you to a credit card checkout page and you can finish the checkout process there, and then you will receive a payment confirmation here as well as in your email about what you've signed up for. Once you have signed up for this course, you will see that it should show up here in your registration history back on your profile page. Okay, and if you click on this, you'll get all the information about this seminar, how to cancel it, how to transfer it if you need to do that. If the course is upcoming in the next couple days, you'll see the course material shown here. And on the day of the course, it will show up here in your Internet Courses today. Thank you.